Why do investors spread money across dozens of stocks when picking one winner seems simpler? Let me show you why concentrated bets are financial suicide. First, single stock portfolios are ticking time bombs. Research proves you need minimum 12 to 15 individual holdings to reduce catastrophic risk. But here's the shortcut the pros use. One ETF gives you instant exposure to hundreds of companies without the headache. Second, US-only investing leaves massive gains on the table. While American markets dominated the past decade, international stocks outperformed during entire periods smart money capitalized on. Global diversification captures growth wherever it happens, not just where you live. Third, sector concentration killed more portfolios than market crashes. Tech darlings imploded in 2000. Real estate evaporated in 2008. Energy collapsed in 2014. Spreading across technology, healthcare, finance, consumer staples, and industrial sectors means when one bleeds, others thrive. In addition, bonds and REITs move opposite to stocks during volatility spikes. These portfolio anchors generate income streams while equity markets convulse, smoothing your returns and protecting purchasing power when you need stability most. This strategy isn't optional anymore. Pension funds, endowments, and billionaire family offices all follow the same playbook. Mix asset classes, diversify geography, and balance sectors. It's the only proven method to reduce risk without sacrificing long-term wealth building. So, if you want to invest like institutions do, diversification is your wealth protection system. Next up, I'm revealing the age-based allocation formula that shifts your mix every decade. Because your 25-year-old portfolio should look nothing like your 55-year-old strategy. Hit subscribe to the Stock Market Sentinel so you don't miss the personalized blueprint your future self desperately needs.